Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Predator Generator Wheel Kit is probably one of the most convenient and practical accessories you can get for your portable generator, making transportation and mobility a breeze. Whether you're heading to a campsite, preparing for a power outage, or taking it to a remote job site, this kit significantly enhances the portability and usability of your generator, saving you time and effort, and ensuring you always have reliable power when and where you need it. Number 5. Predator 8 Never Flat Generator Wheel Kit. Say goodbye to flat tires. This kit provides a smooth and reliable ride for your generator. It's built to last and makes moving your generator effortless. These durable tires are designed to withstand tough terrains and never go flat, saving you time and frustration. Enjoy worry-free operation wherever you need power. It features a sturdy steel handle that adjusts to your height for comfortable transport. Moving your generator is now easier than ever before. Keep it steady and secure with the included rubber feet. They provide stability and prevent unwanted movement while your generator is in use. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it won't shift during operation. This kit is designed for easy installation, so you can get your generator up and running quickly. Get back to powering what matters most, without the hassle. Upgrade your generator with this convenient and reliable wheel kit. It's the perfect solution for easy mobility and worry-free operation. What we like. It features flat-free tires for easy mobility and an adjustable handle for convenient transport. The rubber feet provide stability when stationary. If you need a reliable and easy-to-maneuver wheel kit for your generator, this is a great option. What people say. Made of quality material. Buena calidad. Number 4. Predator Generator Wheel Kit. Say goodbye to flat tires. This kit makes moving your Predator generator effortless. These durable tires are designed to withstand tough terrains, ensuring smooth mobility. It features an adjustable steel handle for comfortable and convenient transport, no matter your height. Keep it steady. Rubber feet provide stability when you need to position it in one place. It's compatible with 4000, 6500, and 8750 watt Predator generators, providing a perfect fit. This kit is designed for easy installation, so you can get your generator up and running quickly. What we like. This kit boasts flat-free tires, an adjustable steel handle, and compatibility with various Predator generator models, 4000, 6500, and 8750 watt. It's perfect if you need a versatile solution for multiple generators. This is the best choice for owners of multiple Predator generators. What people say. Solid product and very easy to install. This wheel kit was easy to install. It also makes moving it a whole lot easier. The instructions didn't specifically mention my size, but it worked fine. All the bolts and hardware worked. Number 3. Predator 3500 Generator Wheel Kit. This kit is designed to enhance your Predator 3500 generator's portability and durability. It provides superior mobility on any terrain. These tires are designed to withstand punctures and provide a smooth ride. No more worrying about flat tires in the field. This kit is specifically designed for your Predator 3500 generator, ensuring a perfect and secure fit. Easy installation for enhanced mobility. Move your generator effortlessly across various terrains. It's perfect for job sites, camping, or any outdoor adventure. The locking brake hub provides stability and security, ensuring your generator stays put when you need it to. Safety and convenience combined. The kit is designed for easy installation, so you can get your generator up and running quickly. Simple steps for a secure fit. What we like. It offers all-terrain tires for superior traction and solid, never flat tires for worry-free use. The kit is specifically designed for the 3500 watt Predator generator. If you prioritize durability and off-road capability for your 3500 watt generator, this is the one for you. What people say. It took me less than a half hour to install and rolls so much easier now. It is a serious game changer. These are the wheels Predator should have provided but couldn't, at their price point. Yes, this kit is pricey for what it does, but it is thoughtfully designed and well made. You can tell from the way the parts are made that it is a limited production item, not something mass-produced on the cheap. That's one reason it's more expensive than you'd hope for. But it definitely does the job. In addition, it is extremely easy to install. Number 2. Predator 10 inches Generator Wheel Kit. This kit makes moving your Predator generator easier than ever. Its extra-large tires and sturdy handle make transporting it over rough terrain a breeze. These flat-free tires are over 110% bigger than standard generator wheels. They provide superior mobility and stability on uneven surfaces. The extra sturdy T-handle allows for easy two-handed operation, making maneuvering effortless. No more struggling to move your generator. Sturdy rubber feet keep it securely in place when stationary. It won't move around while in use, ensuring safety and stability. The extra-wide 2.8 inches tread provides superior stability and traction, even on challenging terrain. It's designed to handle tough conditions. It fits all Predator portable generators, excluding inverter generators. Check your model to ensure compatibility. What we like. This kit stands out with its extra-large 10-inch tires, providing superior mobility on rough terrain. The sturdy T-handle ensures easy two-handed operation. The wide tread enhances stability. If you frequently move your generator over uneven surfaces, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy to use and a wonderful item to discover. It was a perfect fit for my Predator generator. Assembled in 15 minutes by my 19-year-old son. I was impressed with the locking pin for the handle. It provides more stability when moving the generator. Easy install, fits well. Number 1. Predator Generator Wheel Kit. Tired of struggling to move your heavy generator? This kit makes transport easy, over any terrain. It allows you to effortlessly roll your generator across rough or smooth surfaces. No more heavy lifting. This kit is designed for simple installation. It bolts directly onto your existing generator, and includes all necessary hardware and instructions. It features 2 solid steel welded axle assemblies and 4 10-inch inflatable wheels for superior strength and stability. This kit is compatible with older and newer Predator 9000, 8750, and 6500 watt generator models. Get yours today. What we like. It provides larger 10-inch inflatable tires for better mobility, and is compatible with various Predator generator models, 9000, 8750, and 6500 watt. The steel welded axle ensures durability. If you need a heavy-duty solution for your larger Predator generator, this kit is a great option. What people say. The 10 wheels and pneumatic tires are perfectly sized for a portable home generator, and the tires eliminate much of the vibration from a running generator when on a solid surface like a deck or patio. Simple install, makes moving the generator much easier, turns are no problem. Strong axles. Quality hardware. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.